Hi! Hello world! Vanna White is the star of America's Game, but her son Nico Santo Pietro is now America's boyfriend. The Wheel of Fortune host went viral when she made a cooking video with her son. As Vanna and Nico cooking up, the internet took notes, but not just of the recipes, ingredients, and instructions, but with Nico, who caused a frenzy with the good looks. I always love being in front of the camera, and I work really hard on my social media, and that's a big part of what I do, Nico told Entertainment Tonight. So of course, it's flattering, he added. But guys, I have an amazing girlfriend. She's an adorable sweetheart. She's a singer, songwriter, and we have been together for a year. Her name is Asa, as Nico said about his relationship status. Oh, okay. Thank you, Entertainment Tonight. Beautiful day to all. Always like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you.